I've just bought one of these lamps. LEDs. I can't remember how many's on here. 100? I think there's about 100 LEDs on here. But this is quite a sweet little design, actually. I quite like it. The plastic's nice and thick and strong, as far as plastic goes, I suppose. But you can bend this and fold it almost in any way you like, so you can have light where you want it. It's, you know, it's quite a handy little patterned lamp. And of course you can fold these all the way back. But one thing in particular that does make me like this even more is if these from use go loose and they don't stay in place, you can just tighten them up. Nut and bolt. Brilliant. On every sort of elbow, join, bend thing. So yeah, I'm quite impressed. But at the moment I've got that light on and those lights on so that you can see this inside my garage. And it's not particularly dark outside, it's like 4 PM. But if I turn my lights off, I'll turn this one round, that away. Doll. Here we go, fun time at the OK Corral. There you go. Right, got him like that. All right, lights off. Make sure my lights are off. Don't want no cheating. And I'll close my door. Okay, so there we are. Reasonably getting sort of a little bit dark in here. Okay, that bad boy. Let's plug him in. Oh, dearie me. Ready? Bosh. How's that? Look at that. Light up. Now, that's just one of them. It's literally lit the whole room. And as you can see, they're... oh, blimey. Yeah, they're a bit bright. Stroll on. I ain't going there anymore. That's enough of that one. But yep, they are a bit bright. And I've got 2 of them. Highly recommended. God knows what they cost in electricity. Who gives a monkeys? I don't. But yeah, look at that. It's illuminated. Imagine that at night. Well, it won't be much. Well, it will be better than this, but wow. I can work all day long, all night long with one of these. Just one. But of course I need 2. Of course I need 2. Probably need 4 actually. But yeah, I thought I'd let you know. It's phenomenal. You want to see it folded up? You know. Sorry, my bad. There you go. That's one folded up. Look. It's the cross thread connector. All right. So you can fold him up like that, and then you can, trying to use 2 fingers, 1 thumb, you can effectively have it like that and on wherever you put. Yeah, so you've got like a, if you hung it from the ceiling, all those panels could be stood upright like that with this one in the middle pointing down, and all those would spread across the room. Yeah, the only thing I think is wrong with these is that they are going to be cobweb and dust friendly. You imagine the amount of cobwebs you're going to get stuck in here over time, and the dust that's going to sit on it. Yeah, that's like a spider's first class mansion hotel, isn't it? So there you go. It's my little review of these, what seem to be so far rather incredible lights. I'm well pleased with them. Even here, that's bright, isn't it? Look at it. Cool. So yeah, that's lit up this room absolutely unbelievably. Ooh, I'm tempted. So if you like that, just don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe if you want more of this sort of stuff, because I've got more coming.